morning. Today is Saturday the 30th of November. We are going on a hike. We will be hiking at Vergenoeg Hiking Trail, and I'm just gonna take you guys along. I hope I'll be able to keep this up. If I forget, then there'll be no video. So yeah, thanks, let's go.
She's leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
We are 1.77 kilometers in. We just went through our first incline and we are having something to drink. An update coming soon again.
Safety first.
Safety first, please.
I hope so too, eh?
We definitely are.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Hello, hi. My name is Ayanda, and I can do so many things, and one of them is being on top of a mountain. Can you tell? Look behind me, all around me. This is a life, guys. I invite you.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to
Yeah, let me get impressions. Yes, let's do it. Yes, feelings.
Oh, hey, it's too real, too real right now.
Yeah.
Tom Cruise vibes. Fantastic is not even the word. It's the gift that keeps on giving. It's very requiring, but it's also very rewarding. It's probably more rewarding than it's requiring. But like we're literally on top of a mountain, guys. Like, this mountain is so massive.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely up.
Hi guys, my battery is very low. Just want to show you where I am. As usual, on top of a mountain. But can you please have a look at this mountain? Please enjoy. Oh my goodness.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
How's it going, guys?
Hey. Yeah.
Yo.
Mandela didn't walk for this long. Really long walk.
Hi.
Yeah, it's been quite the hike. Amazing. Everything I said earlier on. But coming back is a challenge. We think going down the road.
This is Ayanda. We are 9 kilometers into the hike, so we're going back now. Wow, wow in both ways. Like, wow, so great, but also wow, they're coming back. Yo, wow. But yeah, we did it. 2024. This is the hike.
Hey there, guys. The Zulu man just finished his first hike. 10 kilometers done. Came all the way from the top, all the way there at the top. It was exhausting. Very long as well. Just like Mandela's long walk to freedom, but it was worth it. I enjoyed it a lot, and yeah, that's all I have to say.